everybody! Today we're going to be making this bracelet. It's a very beautiful bracelet. I call it the Fast Easy Fish Braid. So that's what we're going to be making today. So let's get started. Today I'm going to use this, a 2-prong that you can use on anything, including your fingers, which I know all of you have.
Hi! I've been making the one that Taylor's making. So yeah.
That was my little sister. So let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to start with purple. So we do purple. It's a little hard to get it on because you have to do crisscross like this. And then you have to put it on. So maybe if you get it like that and put it on, it'll be easier, but it's kind of hard, honestly. So once you get that on, you take the next color. You can do it with any color you want, but for me the next color will be pink. Stop, just let me do my thing. So the next color will be a pink rubber band. Also, if you have those little, they sell these if you have the little hair ties. The little hair ties that are the exact same size, you can use those as well. So the pink hair tie, the pink rubber band, you don't have to crisscross. So you just put that on and then take whichever color is next for you. You can also do this a one-colored thing, so yeah. So you put another blue on and you don't crisscross it, and then you put another purple on. So you take another purple.
This is called the Fast and Easy Fishtail.
So you put another purple on. Like that. It should look like that now. So now you take whichever side you want and you take the side and take it over. Take the other side and take it over. So then it should be, that's what keeps the whole thing together. So you should have that. And then you take a pink, lower it all down, and put it on. So it should look like that. And then you take your other color on the very bottom and take it up and put it on top. So it's just the very same pattern over and over. It'll get longer. Yes, I do. It'll get longer. It'll get longer. It's really fast and it's really good for beginners. I figured this out for myself. So now you lower that down and you take a blue hairband. You take a blue rubber band, put it on top, not crisscross. Take the bottom, put it on top, and then you lower it down as always. This should look really pretty once you're done. It's a little different from the one I was doing. Mine was green. Mine was blue, pink, green, but this time, purple, pink, green. But this time, I decided to do pink, purple, pink, blue. So we're doing a little different of a pattern. I probably will have other videos. This is my first video. So there should be more videos if I make more and decide to do more. Just the same way of doing it, just different styles. I mean, like the same pattern. Well, not the same pattern, but different colors. And maybe a different way of doing it. But like different colors and things like that. So let's keep going. So you just keep doing that. So you can pause the video now and just make it as long as you want. And I'm going to start. And mine is going to be a ring this time. So I'm going to do it until mine is long enough. And then if you want to make it something longer, like a neck choker or a necklace or a bracelet, then you can pause the video and just keep doing yours. And once you finish, I'm going to show you how to finish, like take it off. Now, every once in a while, you want to measure what you want and try it on when you think it might be long enough. So every once in a while, you want to do that just to make sure it's the right size or not. So these should be stretchy. They should be really stretchy. So you want to make them just a little small because these stretch really big. They can stretch a lot. Like, that would be enough for a bracelet if they didn't stretch and it was this long. So they're really nice and stretchy. So I'm going to show you, so you can pause the video if you have to and if you're going to finish yours. And once you finish pausing the video, you can come back and watch the rest of the video. So I'm going to start the rest of the video now. So once you're done, you take your next color, like usual, and put it on top. I'm just going to go until I get to, and then you put them on top, and then you just take all of them and put it on top. Like this until you have no more but your last color that you did. So then you take the two sides, slide them off, and try and hold them there. You can put them on your finger so they don't fall apart. And you get one of your hooks and you take your last rubber bands to put them, this part is a little harder. To put them on. And then you take the other side and put those on. And then you have whatever you were going to make. Bye!